Alright, hold on, please. Put it up against here.
Rocco, listen to him.
Ready whenever you are.
We got a dog out there. We got a dog out there. So take it down and hold on.
I'm just going to help you hold it. This is a project if you don't know.
Cassie, come on. Let her find that bird.
He's lefty. How do you shoot a gun? Righty or lefty, Rock?
With this gun, that's what's
Yeah,
nice.
with that gun it don't matter.
That's the nice part with this
That's
gun.
why I let my son use this one, because he's a lefty.
You gotta take the 410.
Rocco, which shoulder you put the gun on? Okay, there you go.
Whatever you want.
Yeah, I'd like to help ice and shower.
There you go.
Shot twice.
You ready? That's the safety. Let's see. You're going to be this right now.
All right, is everybody ready?
Look down here. You can't do the trigger here. Soft there. Okay. You ready? Now what we're going to do is aim, okay? And then we're going to shoot. You're going to knock the power line now.
Good job. Thank you.
Good shot, kid.
Thanks, guys.